Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel paid tributes to 14 security personnel who lost their lives in an encounter with Naxals in Teram jungle of Chhattisgarh on Saturday. At least 22 security personnel were martyred and 31 of them suffered grievous injuries after a gunfight between the forces and Naxals alongside the Sukma-Bijapur border. One security official is believed to be missing from the encounter spot. Home Minister Amit Shah and Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel laid a wreath on the coffins of the Jawans in Jagdalpur of Bastar district. This is Amit Shah's first visit to the Bastar region after he assumed charge as the Home Minister. After attending the wreath-laying ceremony of Jawans, Amit Shah and Bhupesh Baghel held a meeting with top officials at the Police Coordination Center in Jagdalpur.
छत्तीसगढ़ शासन के मुख्यमंत्री बघेल जी के साथ सभी फोर्स के अफसरों के साथ अभी रिव्यू मीटिंग भी की और रिव्यू मीटिंग के अंदर ये लड़ाई की गति किसी भी तरह से कम न हो, ये सुझाव अफसरों की ओर से ही आया, जो बताता है कि हमारे जवानों का मॉरल अभी भी इंटैक्ट है और आगे बढ़े।
Shah also assured the citizens that the sacrifice of the Jawans will not go in vain, as it paved way for the central government to intensify their operation against Naxals.
DRG, छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस, CRPF और कोबरा बटालियन के जो जवान शहीद हुए हैं, उनको मैं भारत सरकार की ओर से, पूरे देश की ओर से, देश के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की ओर से श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं। उनका ये सर्वोच्च बलिदान व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा। ये लड़ाई को निर्णायक मोड़ पर पहुंचाने के लिए उनका बलिदान देश हमेशा याद रखेगा।
Later in the day, the Union Home Minister visited Basaguda camp of the CRPF in Bijapur and interacted with the security personnel. Meanwhile, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi criticized Central Reserve Police Force Chief Kuldeep Singh for poor execution of the anti-Naxal operation.
If there was no intelligence failure, then a 1:1 death ratio means it was a poorly designed and incompetently executed operation. Our Jawans are not cannon fodder to be martyred at will.
Kuldeep Singh had visited Chhattisgarh to monitor the situation following the Naxalite attack and said there was no intelligence or operation failure in executing the task. Congress leader Abhishek Manu Singhvi hit out at the union government for not taking decisive action in rescuing the Jawans.
The massacre of 22 Jawans by Naxals in Chhattisgarh is the biggest story today. Deepest condolences to the families. No government can make good the loss of a loved one, but at least they can show they care.
A similar incident had occurred on March 23rd when 5 security personnel were killed and several got injured in an IED blast in Narayanpur district of Chhattisgarh. According to the senior officials, the security personnel were traveling in a bus as part of an anti-Naxal operation.